But these two songs are going to work. And I'm going to do one of them now in a different style. So you can focus on the words, but still hold up, surprisingly. I wrote the music, Tom wrote the words, and it goes like this. We got something, we both know it. We don't talk too much about it. Ain't no real big secret. All the same, somehow we get around it. It don't really matter to me. You believe what you wanna believe. So you don't have to live like a refugee. No, you don't have to live like a refugee. Somewhere, somehow, someone must have kicked you around somehow. Tell me why you wanna lie there and revel in your abandon. It don't make no difference to me. Everybody gotta fight, be free, so you don't have to live like a refugee. No, you don't have to live like a refugee. Oh, baby, you ain't the first. I know a lot of other lovers been burned. So all I'm saying to you is one of those things that feels me too. Somewhere, somehow, somebody must have kicked you around, son. Who knows, maybe you were tired